Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Alex, and as you guys can see by today's title, I am bringing to you guys a fall haul brought to you by Zaful. So they were nice enough to send me a bunch of fall clothing. You guys requested more like shops and stores to do fall hauls and like fall styles and stuff like that. So I thought this was the perfect time. And also for Zaful, I have only heard about them for their bikinis. I personally have not owned any of their bikinis or swimsuits, but I do know Zaful is like huge for that, so I loved taking this opportunity just to explore a little bit of their website. I haven't really heard much about their clothing, so don't worry if you are like me. I got you covered. I got a little bit of everything. Also, I just wanted to say Zaful was super affordable. They have a lot of different promos going on at once, and they also were nice enough to give me a code for you guys, so you guys can get 18% off with the code Alexandra. So literally just my name, code Alexandra, will save you guys 18% off, and that also applies to sales that they already have on their website. So a bunch of these items I think were like buy 3 get 20% off, stuff like that, or like buy 1 and then the second one is 79% off. So they have a bunch of sales like that on their website, so definitely keep your eye out for those because they have them all the time and they were really, really good. So a bunch of the stuff I got were actually paired like that. As you guys can see, I have like little mini crop tops, dresses, sweaters, jackets, more sweaters, sweatpants, dressy pants looking things, jeans. Jeans was another one I was like so interested about them. We'll kind of go, I guess, by like categories. So the first two tops that I got were these, which these were actually one size fits all. So I was super interested to see if they would fit, how they fit, and honestly, to my surprise, they fit me perfectly. So this is the gray one. And I love the back, how it's very open and the straps are very comfortable, not too long, not too short, so they don't dig in, but super, super comfortable. And honestly, this is very flattering. The inside pad has a little push-up feature, so I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but along here, it's like a little dip shape. It is thicker than the rest, so it has a bit of push-up, which honestly is very flattering and really nice, so I did like that. And I also picked it up in a black as well, so the black is the exact same. Open back again, and they are also a little bit longer. I absolutely love both of these, and I'm so surprised they fit me perfectly. But honestly, I want to say if you are large to extra large, this definitely will not fit you. I don't know so much about one size fits all, but I feel like if you are extra small, small, and medium, you can definitely fit into these. They're super comfortable. Absolutely love them. Material is really good too. They're not a super thin, cheap material. They are very comfortable. The outside, as you guys can see, is like a ribbed material, but the inside is a very soft, non-ribbed material. Very comfortable. I actually love wearing this. I've already wore this all day and I absolutely loved it. They both retail for $13.49, but as I said, they were part of a promotion. You guys can have them. I think they're still on sale right now, but it's buy one get the second one 79% off. Highly recommend them. I think there's also a couple other colors, but I just stuck to basic colors. Next up, what I picked up was this cute bodycon dress. It's plaid, and oh my goodness, it is so freaking cute. I thought it was perfect. This print is very on trend right now for fall, so it's like a mini dress. It's honestly not too short, but obviously not too long either, but for me, I absolutely love the length. It has a little dip detail to it, looks like that, and the back is a little bit lower straight across. These straps, again, not too long but very stretchy, so they're very comfortable. They don't dig in. This dress surprised me. The material is very soft. It is also not a very thin material, so you cannot see through it. It does not stretch out. And you guys, this dress was under $10, so it was $9.74, and honestly, I am so impressed with it. Usually items that are cheaper are not this good quality. Like usually items that are cheap, you can wear them a couple times and then you'll know that they're just not gonna last you, but honestly, I feel like you could probably wear this over and over and over. The stitching is very well done. It looks like it is ready to hold up and it's not coming undone anytime soon. Material super soft and very stretchy also. Like, look how stretchy this is. It is so stretchy. So I picked it up in a size small. There are so many different ways to style this. You can wear it just like that, or you can add like a long sleeve shirt underneath, whether it's white or black. But honestly, I am so surprised with this one. I put it in my cart and I was like, let's just see what's gonna happen, and to my surprise, You guys actually need this. It's really freaking cute and I cannot wait to wear this and take pictures with it. So stay tuned on my Instagram for that. Shameless plug. You can follow my Instagram at _8alvarez, and that's where I post a lot of my outfit pictures. So keep your eye out because I'm definitely gonna take one in this. Alright, moving on to more like tops. I picked up this like jacket, sweater. It just screams fall to me. So it is this. As you can see, it does look kind of like a men's dress shirt, and that's the exact style that I wanted. And then on the inside, it has fleece. Absolutely love it. It was $27.99 and well worth the $30 in my opinion. I really like it. It does run a little bit big. I got this in an extra small, but nonetheless I really did like how this looked. I honestly don't think I would ever wear it closed like I have it now, just to show you guys. I do like wearing it with the buttons down, so I really like that look and how it looked. If you want a more oversized one, definitely size up. They are sold out though at the moment. Right now I think they only had extra small left. I know this because my best friend wanted one also, and I sent her the link and they were all sold out except extra smalls. So hopefully by the time that I post this, it goes back up on stock. It has a little front pocket, so this pocket is functional. You can put something in there if you like. It's very cute, very comfortable, and definitely love the fleece inside just to add that, you know, like comfort when it's nice and cold outside. If you want to go somewhere, just throw it on quickly. I love the color, the pattern of it. It's just so fall. Next up we have this sweater, again plaid, because like I said, this is very in trend right now. I really wanted to kind of up my style right now. Zaful had some freaking great ass pieces to do that. So this is one that I picked up. Drop shoulder crop top. So as I've mentioned in a bunch of my hauls, I love drop shoulders. It's where the shoulders don't really meet up here, but they give you the drop shoulder effect, and I freaking love this one. It is so soft and it is a crop top. This is definitely one of my favorite sweaters now. I just love it. It's super in trend for fall and very easy to style. It was $22.49. It's a thicker material also, so it's not a thin sweater. It's just a typical thick, comfortable sweater, and it is not itchy. So that was one thing I was afraid of, is that these would be itchy, but nothing that I got or that I will show you is itchy, and I'm so happy that that's the case. I paired this one with just this underneath, the little bra that I showed you guys before. I also did pair it with this actually. So this, having basic staples like these are so good, and they were super affordable, so again, highly recommend these. And this one, absolutely loved it. It was so good. So next up we have another sweater. I don't own any sweaters like this, so it is this sweater. It's freaking cute. It's a half zip, so it doesn't zip up all the way down, just zips up like that. And this is what it looks like. It is more oversized and then just goes a little bit smaller here at the bottom. So the outside material, again, does not match the inside material. It is a softer material on the inside. This sweater was only $17.49, which I can't believe. So many things here are around the $20 mark, and they are good quality. I was iffy on this one, but I actually really like it. Moving on to pants. So I picked up 3 different styles of pants like I mentioned. I picked up more like businessy, professional looking ones, some baggy jeans, and sweatpants. So I'll run you through these. I think I was the most blown away with these pants because they look on the website, they look like just regular pants. Like you'll button them up, kind of like a thicker jeanish material, you know what I mean? Something like that, like dress pantsy. These are so comfortable, you guys. Like so freaking comfortable. They are more of a legging, but not 100% a legging material, but super comfy like leggings. And the buttons are fake. You literally just put them up and that's it. Like these are the most comfortable and super flattering, might I add, freaking like pants. I don't know what to call them, leggings. Like they just are so similar to a leggings, so freaking comfortable, and you can't even tell. Like I absolutely love them. I got these pants in a size small. I think I forgot to mention too that the other 2 sweaters, these ones, I also got them in a size small. I couldn't believe it. I didn't really know what to expect, but I wasn't expecting this. They're not too thin, not too thick. Waistband is really good, not too tight. It fits me perfectly, super flattering like I mentioned, not too long. I swear you would never ever think they were only $20.99. So like $21. You would never guess. Like if you see me walking around the streets in this, 100% you're not thinking these are $20 pants. I can't believe how good Zaful is. Like I am shook. This is the first time I'm ordering anything from Zaful. I've just heard, like I mentioned, about their bikini reviews, and everybody raves about their bikinis. And now a clothing haul, you guys. Like their clothes live up to their bikini hype. Next up, pants wise, we picked up these jeans. These are the like cargo jeans. They go all the way down. They have little cargo style pockets on the side and they go down. I did fold them. As you guys can see, they are pretty baggy, straight down, like wide leg jeans. I like to fold them up because they are very long on me, so I just fold them up. They look more cute like that. Typical jean material. Obviously they are more baggy because that's the style that I wanted. I'm happy with them, nothing really to say. Big pockets over here and they just button up at the top. Again, I got them in a size small and they were $25.99. The last thing I picked up were these black sweatpants. So I originally picked these up because I wanted to wear them for work. Now that it's getting colder outside, what better choice than fleece-lined sweatpants, you know what I mean? But let me tell you guys, they are big. Like, these are massive sweatpants. I think they're just gonna be more for lounging around the house because they are just massive. I thought they were gonna be more tight fitted, but like they're huge. I got them in a small. I'm almost certain that was the smallest size they came with, so that's why I got it in a small. If they had extra small or double extra small, I would definitely get a double extra small. You can definitely size down with these sweatpants because they are just huge. They look like balloon pants. They're very comfortable, not gonna lie, and the fleece on the inside is very warm, so that's a plus. But they are big, so honestly, if you are a medium, size down to a small. Large, go down to a medium. They have pockets really big, as you guys can see, on each side. Stretchy elastic waistband, and they just go down. Alright guys, so that concludes today's Zaful haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Shout out to Zaful for letting me pick out all of these cute fall pieces. I'm shook at everything. Price, quality, size, fit, everything. The only thing that was a little off were these sweatpants, but even then, so they're pretty comfortable still, and like the inside, the fleece is really good, so just a little sizing issue on that one, but other than that, everything else was so good. Don't forget, you guys can use my code Alexandra for 18% off at checkout. But yeah, if you guys have any questions or anything like that, definitely leave them down in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!